the crazy parking at Walmart.
So cute. Is that an old man?
You're going to be on YouTube when you see me recording. Go ahead, go ahead. Huh? Okay, you want to ask? It's raining. Look at that, you guys. I almost wanted to say happy Vlogmas and then a day, but Vlogmas is over. We're out and about. I wanted to pop in here and say happy New Year's Eve, because it is New Year's Eve. I brought Mom and my handsome bearded son with me because they both needed some, look at me with my finger. They both wanted rides to the store. So I got some footage. I'll show you. We went to Walmart. I had a little bit of a, I was so, well, I'm not angry. I got frustrated because I was waiting for a parking spot in Walmart. I had my blinker on. Everybody in that area knew what I was waiting for with my little itty bitty car here. And this other lady comes, when that car finally pulls out, this other lady just zoomed in there. And I'm like, oh my God, oh my God. My son's telling me, calm down, mother. But I was upset with that lady. I really did get upset. Just internalizing upset. People need to be more considerate. Anyway, look at me. I've got my I'm a medical secretary t-shirt on. It's just wet. I just grabbed whatever. So we're at the watermill right now. We went to the carniceria. I can't say it right. I can't roll the tongue. Carniceria to go get the menudo, because we're making menudo. It's something we do every New Year's Eve. Mom makes a big old pot of it, and everybody comes over New Year's Day. And so yeah, we went to go get the menudo stuff, picked up some tortas from that carniceria, and we're gonna go home and eat. I'm hungry. Tony, my son, got some chicken. He wants to barbecue probably tomorrow just because he loves to barbecue. I know tomorrow's a Raiders game. Raiders! And yeah, that's what's on. I don't have a hoodie or anything, and I got rained on, so my hair is being all wacky. So anyway, you guys, I don't know. I just wanted to tell you guys, with New Year's, Vlogmas is over. I had fun doing Vlogmas. I never thought I could vlog. I know I still have lots to learn, but I'm thinking I'm going to keep throwing in some vlogs during the week because I love it. Mom's phone's ringing. And, oh, Mom and Tony are out there getting water from the watermill for our water machine. In the water. They're getting rained on. What else? Yeah, I think I'm going to still do a little bit of vlogging in this new year. I will be resuming my Dollar Tree hauls. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree, you guys. It's just, life has been, as you kind of know, got a little bit of what's been going on in my life. It's been, you know, taking its own turns, and we're just going with it right now. So, I'll talk to you guys more about it later. Don't feel like it right now. I'm not emotionally strong enough to go there. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking on doing. I will be resuming my Dollar Tree hauls. I will be resuming my DIYs, and I will be throwing in some vlogs. I've been wanting to start doing some more reviews, cosmetic reviews, skincare reviews, that type of stuff for my mature 50 plus old skin. And I mean, that's what I got into YouTube to begin with. That was what I wanted to do. Sorry guys, there's a siren going by right now. I wanted to do the beauty stuff because that's what I started doing when I first discovered YouTube. I'm always late to the party. I don't care, but I arrived. And I love YouTube. And that's what I started doing. I was watching all of the makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, because I've always had a love for makeup my entire life. Even as a tiny little girl. I used to watch my mom's older sisters. They're all gorgeous. My mom and her sisters are all gorgeous, but most of them have already passed on. One of them in particular, I remember I loved her makeup every day and her makeup organization. I used to get mesmerized of all her cosmetics and how she organized them. Her name was that was my Aunt Celia, my Tia Celia. And so like I said, since I was a little girl, I've always loved makeup. I just haven't felt confident enough to go on and do any kind of reviews because I am much older than all these beautiful beauty gurus on YouTube. So I've got to go because they're done. I'll see you guys later. Sorry for that interruption, guys. It's still raining and they're still waiting for the big old 5-gallon water jugs to get filled at the water mill. So that's what I was saying. I think I left off about wanting to. I'm going to start adding on some cosmetic reviews, skincare reviews. I have a lot of stuff that I want to talk about because I have tons of favorites. Especially from the e.l.f. cosmetics. I am really big on getting affordable things, and e.l.f. has some really high quality cosmetics that I love. I already love. So there you go. They're done with the water. Did you get wet, Mom?
Yeah.
Beat that garlic up.
Put a whole garlic. Whoa.
YouTube, Happy New Year. You want to say Happy New Year, baby? Tell them you're not feeling well today. No. You got sick last night. You're still not well. But you still got your feisty bug. That's a good thing. Okay.
I'm fine.
Just like that. Yeah, breaks my heart to see him sad.
I'm gonna wash all this because
Happy New Year.